that is x of t lies between 0 and this is 2, this is minus 2. This is your x of t. So how to solve this kind of problems, right? Now, so better to shift the small one. It is bigger one is there, right? So therefore, go for this. So I think you take the screenshot of this one, and I'll go further. And I need more space for this. Okay. So I'll write first. I'll take x of t ranging from 0 to minus 2, its value is 1, x of tau, y of t is equal to x of t convolution with h of t, which is equal to integration from minus infinity to plus infinity, x of tau into h of t minus tau d tau. Okay, right. Now, so x of tau. Now, first case, h of minus tau. H of minus tau. So, h of minus tau is what? We have to find out h of minus tau. H of minus tau, you fold it. This will come this side. This will go to this side. So, therefore, what is that we can write it? H of minus tau will be of this sort. So, zero, 1, minus 1. This is t plus 1, this is t minus 1. Okay, right. So this is our h of minus tau. Start shifting from minus infinity. Okay, right. So until this point, no overlapping at all. So therefore, as long as case number 1, like this, t plus 1, t minus 1, and this is t. Case 1, t plus 1 less than or equal to 0. Y of t is equal to, is it visible? Yeah. Okay. T plus 1 less than or equal to 0, or t less than or equal to minus 1. T less than or equal to minus 1. Y of t is equal to 0. That is the first one. Next. So we have more number of cases are there. Now, case number 2. Case number 2, what is that we have? So this is started moving like this. Okay, right. This is t plus 1. The width of this one, this is t plus 1, this is t minus 1. Okay, right. This is t. Okay, as long as no, only one unit is there. This one is overlap, right? So therefore, what is that you can write it? This is nothing but corresponding to this. This is your t, this is your minus 2. Case 2. The width of this one is 1 unit, this width of this one is 1 unit. Until 1 unit is gets overlapped, this area goes on increasing. Case 2 is nothing but t lies between, t plus 1 lies between where to where, minus 2 to, next one is minus 1. Minus 2 to minus, only 1 unit, minus 2 to minus 1. Or t lies between minus 3 to minus 2. Y of t is equal to overlapped area. Overlapped area is this much. So minus 2 to integration from minus 2 to
Satish sir,
t plus 1. 1 into 1 is 1 d tau. 1 d tau. This amplitude is also 1. This amplitude is also 1. 1 into 1 is what? 1
Satish
d
sir,
tau.
voice
This is the
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ
tau
ಇಲ್ಲ.
axis, you know. Okay, this is also tau axis.
ಹಲೋ ಸತೀಶ್ ಸರ್,
Yes, sir.
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಹುಡುಗರು ಬೇರೆ ಹುಡುಗರು ಕೇಳಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ
ಓಕೆ
Audible,
ಓಕೆ
sir.
ನನಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Audible.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್,
is it audible?
ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
Okay,
Yes,
right.
sir. Okay, sir.
Audible.
Now what is that we have is minus 2 to t plus 1. Integrate this one. Integration of 1 is what? Tau between the limits minus 2 to t plus 1, which is equal to t plus 1 minus of minus 2 is plus 2, which is equal to t plus 3. Okay, right. Am I right? T plus 1. T plus 1 minus of minus 2 is plus 2, t plus 3 we got it. Case number 2 we got it, right? Now go for the case number 3. Case number 3. Case number 3. Now it is second part is moving. So all of a sudden we cannot move to the inside. So now only this much has moved. Now the second part is this much. Okay, right. One more unit we should move. So therefore, what is that? You can write it. So case 3. Case 3 is t plus 1. This is t plus 1. T plus 1 lies between. T plus 1 lies between. Already we have moved up to what? Already we have moved up to minus 1. Next, what is that you should do? Minus 1 to 0. One more unit. One more unit you should move. Then R, we can write it as t lies between minus 2 to minus 1. Y of t is equal to. Okay, now we have integration. Two parts are there because this is having the negative part. This is positive one. Okay, right. So now what is that? You can write it. So this is from where to where? This is minus 2. Minus 2. And this is 0. So this one is completely included, and this one minus 2 to. So next one is minus 2 to t, we should take it. Minus 2 to t. This point, center point is what? T. Minus 2 to t is negative, minus 1. T to t plus 1 positive. So therefore we should take two parts. Split the integration. Integration from minus 2 to t. Minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into d tau plus integration from t to t plus 1. T to t plus 1. T to t plus 1. What is that we have? 1 d tau, which is equal to minus tau between the limits minus 2 to t plus tau between the limits t to t plus 1, which is equal to minus of t plus 2 plus, what is this one? T plus 1 minus t. T plus 1 minus t. So minus t plus t gets cancelled. What will you get? This is nothing but equal to minus t, and minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 you will get. Okay, right. Go for the third case. In the third case, what we have is, okay, right. Now already we have moved up to 0 and 2 more units left out. For the next 2 more units, what is that we have is complete constant you are going to get. Constant can be anything, we don't know. This is t plus 1, this is t minus 1. Because up to this point, area goes on increasing. Once it crosses 0, complete 2 units gets overlapped. Now for 0 to 2, complete constant you will get. Constant can be 0 also, we don't know. Case 4. Okay, right. Complete overlapping is there. For what is that we have? T plus 1. And we can move for 2 units because next 2 units it is constant. T plus 1 lies between 0 to 2. Or t lies between minus 1 to 1. Y of t is equal to integration. So now what is to do? Starting from this one, minus t minus 1 to t, it is minus 1. T to t plus 1, it is plus 1. T minus 1 to t. T minus 1 to t minus 1 d tau plus t to t plus 1. T to t plus 1, it is plus 1 d tau, which is equal to minus tau between the limits t minus 1 to t plus tau between the limits t to t plus 1, which is equal to minus of t minus t plus 1 plus Second one, t plus 1 minus t. Minus t plus t gets cancelled, minus t plus t gets cancelled, and this is minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. You will get the answer as what? 0. Since we have negative as well as positive portion, the answer is you are getting it as average area is 0. Go for the next case. Now it is coming out of the range. 1 unit by 1 unit it will go. So this is t plus 1, this is t minus 1. Case 5. Case 5. 1 unit it will move. So because 1 unit it is moving, because of the width of this one is 1 unit. T plus 1 lies between where to where? 2 to 3. Because 1 unit is there, no? 2 to 3. Or t lies between 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 to 2. Y of t is equal to this much is there as well as this much. Okay, right. T minus 1 to t negative portion, negative is there. T to 2, t to 2, it will be positive because minus 1 into plus, minus into plus is plus, you will get minus. So we will get a negative. This one is positive, right? So now what is that we have? Integration from t minus 1 to t minus 1 to t minus 1 d tau plus integration from t to 2 d tau 1 d tau, which is equal to minus tau between the limits t minus 1 to t plus tau between the limits t to 2, which is equal to minus of t minus t plus 1 plus 2 minus t. Minus t plus t gets cancelled. What will you get? Minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is what? Plus 1 minus t. Minus 1 plus 2 is minus, what is that? Plus 1 minus t, you will get it. Go for the next one. Next case. Case number 6. Case number 6. It is trying to move away. So the second portion, negative portion has come going out. So t plus 1 and this is t minus 1 and this is your 2. Okay, right? So now case 6. What is that we have? T plus 1 lies between up to 3 it has moved, further 3 to 4, right? Or t lies between 3 minus 1 to 4 minus 1 is 3. Y of t is equal to integration from where to where? Only this much portion is there, only negative portion is there. So therefore, what will you get? T minus 1 to 2, what will you get? Minus tau, minus d tau, minus 1 into d tau, which is equal to minus tau between the limits t minus 1 to 2, which is equal to minus of 2 minus t plus 1, which is equal to minus 3 plus t. The last case we have it has moved out of the range. So t plus 1, this is t minus 1 and this is 2. Case number 7. T minus 1 greater than or equal to 2 or t greater than or equal to 3, y of t is equal to 0. Okay, right. That's it. We should do it, right? We should be very much careful while doing this problem. This is the highest number of cases that we have seen in the history of the VTU question papers. 7 cases we have. Sir, when will you get 7? You see, we said that, what is that we have? When the finite and unequal, what is that we said? Finite and unequal, what is that we said? 5 cases we said. Now, one more point I gave it. What is that? When the complexity increases, the number of cases may go beyond 5 also, I said. So that's what we have. So here the complexity is more. And since because of the complexity, because it is negative as well as positive portion is there, hence the number of cases are goes beyond the 7 cases, 5 cases itself. So this problem we have seen twice in the examination in the past, right? For 10 marks or 12 marks, we have seen this question, right? So next, let us go for the summarizing the answer and then verify the answer, right? So I'll rub this one. Anyhow, if you want, you can take the screenshot. Or you can watch the video once again and pause and write down the answers, right? Y of t is equal to 8 cases, we should write it, right? So now what is that we have? Y of t is equal to first case. Oh, first case is 0. First case is 0 as long as t is less than or equal to -1. T is less than or equal to -1. Case 2. Case 2 answer I forgot. 1 minute, I'll check it out. T plus 3. T plus 3. For t lies between -1 to 0. -1 to 0. Next is case 3. Case 3 is minus t minus 1. Case 3 is here only itself. Minus t minus 1. Sorry. Minus t minus 1. Here itself we have. For t lies between -2 to -1. T lies between -2 to -1. And next case is and is equal to 0. And is equal to 0 for t lies between -1 to +1, if I am right. Okay, -1 to +1 we have. Okay, next one is 1 minus t. 1 minus t. 1 minus t for t lies between 1 to 2. For t lies between 1 to 2. And is equal to -3 plus t. -3 plus t for t lies between 2 to 3. 2 to 3 and is equal to 0 for t greater than or equal to 3. Now you verify the answer. Minus infinity to -1, -1 to 0. Okay, we did a mistake here. -1 to 0. And third case is what? Third case is t plus 1 lies between -2 to, sorry, third case we'll have to check it out. Third case. Second case, what is that we have? We have moved from 0 to 1. Next 1 to 2. It is not -1 to 2. So t plus 1 lies between 1 to 2. It is 1 to 2. Okay, right? Check it here. What is that third case is? We have moved up to what? So first case is 0. Second case is, it's correct only. So this is lies between -2 to -1, -2 to -1, -1 to 0. It is -1 to 0. Third case, -1 to 0. Or t lies between, what is that we have? -2 to -1. Correct, no? And second case is -1 to, first case is less -2 to -1, no? -2 to, okay, right. Check it here. One by one, I'll check it out. See this. So first case, you know. Second case, what is that? Second case is what is that? -2 to -1. T plus 1 lies between -2 to -1. And if you transfer to this side, what will you get? T plus 1 lies between -2 to -1. Therefore, what will you get? Second case, what is that we have? T plus 1 lies between -2 to -1 is right. This is -1. Okay, right. Therefore, it is -3 to lies between. First case is what? First case is t plus 1. Okay, case number 1 only we did a mistake. Okay, right? When the case answer is correct. T plus 1 less than or equal to minus 2, case 1, or t less than or equal to minus 3. T less than or equal to, here only we did mistake. Minus 3. Second case is from where to where? T plus 1 lies between. Second case is t plus 1 lies between minus 2 to minus 1. Minus 2 to minus 1, which is equal to minus 3 to. T lies between minus 3 to minus 2. Minus 3 to minus 2. Second case is minus 3 to minus 2. Is correct. Third one. Now third one is right. Third one is, what is that we have? Okay, right. So integration. So minus infinity to minus 3, minus 3 to minus 2, minus 2 to minus 1, minus 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to infinity. That means we can shift it from, we have shifted from minus infinity to plus infinity. Minus infinity to plus infinity without any overlap, without any gap. Even if you do small mistake, here your answer will not match. For example, I have taken somewhere minus 1, but here it was not matching. So therefore it is wrong. So what you should do is, in the examination itself, we verify the cases. Whether do you have you shifted from minus infinity to plus infinity without overlap, without gap. So now we check it. Minus infinity to minus 3, minus 3 to minus 2, minus 2 to minus 1, minus 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to infinity. So no overlapping, no gap. Now, what is that? You can write it. So verify the answer now. Answer. See, cases we have verified. Answer you verify. Minus 3, 0. Minus 3 plus 3. At minus 3 plus 3, 0. At minus 2, 1 you will get. You put minus 2. Minus of minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 is 1 is correct. Minus 1. Minus of minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1, it is 0. 1 also it is 0. Put t is equal to 1, 0. T is equal to 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. T is equal to 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. 3. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. And 3, it is 0. So that's how we should do it. It is correct. So any mistakes are there, you can correct it right there itself, and going back and checking the answers, right? Now you go back to this sketching of the signal. Where to where? 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, right. Go for the sketch. Up to minus 3, the value is 0. Up to minus 3, its value is 0. Minus 3 to minus 2. Minus 3 to minus 2, what is the value? Minus 3 to minus 2, it is t plus 1. So minus 3 to minus 2. Minus 3 to minus 2, t plus 3 we have. Okay, right? At minus 3, it is 0. At minus 2, its value is 1. So therefore, t means straight line. It is increasing positive slope. So we got this. Between minus 2 to minus 1, negative slope, it is decreasing. At minus 2, its value is what? 1. And at minus 1, its value is 0. So therefore, it is decreasing. Between minus 1 and plus 1, amplitude is 0. Between 1 and 2, negative slope means decreasing. At 1, it is 0. At 2, its value is minus 1. At 2, its value is minus 1. Therefore, it is decreasing like this. Okay, right. Between 2 to 3, 2, what is the value? Minus 1. 3, its value is 0. So therefore, we are going to have y of t on the time axis. Okay, right? That's how we should do. So you should do carefully this kind of problems. It may take more time, but very good marks also you will get it for this. So it is almost 12 marks, 10 to 12 marks, right? Okay, I'll continue with the next problem. It may take around 20 minutes for you in the examination. No problem. Still, it is 10 to 12 marks. You will get it. So go for the next problem. Now, we have one more problem with exponential. Now let us, so far we did step and ramp, we did it. Step and step, we did it. Unit step convolution. Unit step and ramp we did it. And rectangle also we did it. Okay, right? Now we go for exponential, the last type of problem. Okay, right? This is an examination problem. Evaluate the convolution of x of t and h of t. He has given in the figure. This is 0 to 1, 0 to 1, x of t and h of t. Zero to, and this variation we call as k into e to the power of minus t. This is k. This is your h of t. Now we have h of t up to 2. So this is t. Now what is that? Which one you want to shift? Whenever time dependent is there, avoid shifting that one. Okay, right? Try to shift the first one. What is that? You can write it. Y, if you want to shift the first one, y of t is equal to h of t convolution with x of t, we should take it. And y of t is equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity, h of tau into x of t minus tau d tau. Okay, right. Now what is that we have? H of tau. H of tau. Zero to 2, h of tau, which is nothing but equal to k into e to the power of minus tau on the tau axis. See, wherever t is there, replace it by t, replace it by tau, right? H of tau. X of minus tau, this is 1. X of minus tau. X of minus tau is folded like this. 0, minus 1, 1. X of minus tau. And this is t minus 1. Okay, right. Now what I should do? Same, shifting remains same. Only thing is the value will be exponential, that you should take whatever the equation he has given, that only you will have to use it. And the number of cases, as we said, what is that we have? Finite and unequal is there. 5 cases you will get it, right? Case number 1. Case number 1 is this. This is t. This is t minus 1. Case 1 is t less than or equal to 0. Y of t is equal to 0. No overlapping. Second case is from where to where? This is t. This is t minus 1. Case 2. T lies between 0 to 1. Y of t is equal to integration from 0 to t. What is that we have? 1 into k into e to the power of minus tau. K into e to the power of minus tau d tau, which is equal to k into e to the power of minus tau divided by minus 1 between the limits 0 to t, which is equal to minus k into e to the power of minus t minus e to the power of 0 is 1. So which is equal to k into 1 minus e to the power of minus t. Only minus sign I have taken inside. Next one. T minus 1. Case 4. Case 3. So t lies between where to where? 1 to 2. Y of t is equal to integration from where to where? T minus 1 to t, k into 1 into this thing, k into e to the power of minus tau d tau, which is equal to k into e to the power of minus tau divided by differentiation minus tau is minus 1 between the limits t minus 1 and t, which is equal to minus k into e to the power of minus t minus e to the power of minus t plus 1, which is equal to k into e to the power of minus t plus 1 minus e to the power of minus t. Next, case number 4. Case number 4 is coming out of the range. The shifting remains same. Only thing is exponential is there. So what is that we have? This is t. This is t minus 1. Width is 1. Therefore, we'll have to move by 1 unit. Case number 4. What is that we have? T lies between where to where? 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Y of t is equal to integration from where to where? T minus 1 to 2. Sorry, t minus 1 to 2. T minus 1 to 2. K into e to the power of minus tau, which is equal to k into d tau. Sorry, k into e to the power of minus tau divided by minus 1 between the limits t minus 1 to 2, which is equal to minus k into e to the power of minus 2, lower limit minus e to the power of minus t plus 1. Take minus sign inside, k into e to the power of minus t plus 1 minus e to the power of minus 2. Go for the last case. So last case is, what is that we have? This is t minus 1. This is t. Case 5. What is that we have? T minus 1 greater than or equal to 2 or t greater than or equal to 3. Y of t is equal to 0. Okay. Write the summary. Verify the answer. Okay. What is that we have? Y of t is equal to. What is that first case? 0 for t less than or equal to 0, and is equal to k into 1 minus e to the power of minus t for t lies between 0 to 1, and is equal to k into e to the power of minus t plus 1 minus e to the power of minus t for t lies between 1 to 2, and is equal to third case, what is that? Fourth case is k into e to the power of minus t plus 1 minus e to the power of minus 2 for t lies between 2 to 3, and is equal to 0 for t greater than or equal to 3. Verify the cases. Minus infinity to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to infinity. No overlap, no gap. Now put t is equal to 0. T is equal to 0, it is 0. T is equal to 0, e to the power of 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 into k is 0, you will get, correct? So therefore we got that answer. Now 1. When t is equal to 1, simultaneously verify it with this one as well as this, right? So t is equal to 1, what will I get? T is equal to 1. 1 into 1 minus e to the power, k into 1 minus e to the power of minus 1. Okay. When t is equal to 1, what will I get? E to the power of minus 1 plus 1, 0. And e to the power of 0 is 1. Therefore, you get 1 here. And e to the power of, what is that? Here we got 1 minus 1. Here also we got minus 1. It is correct. T is equal to 2. T is equal to 2 here as well as here. T is equal to 2. First term, e to the power of minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Here also minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Second term, what is that we have? E to the power of minus 2. Already we have e to the power of minus 2. Third one, 3. When t is equal to 3, e to the power of minus 3 plus 2, e to the power of minus 2, e to the power of minus 2, e to the power of minus 2, 0. 0 into k is 0. At 3 it is 0. So it is correct only. And sketching is complicated. They won't expect also, right? So we can no need to sketch this kind of problem. So these are the kind what we have seen in the exponential also, right? Go for one more. This is an examination problem which was asked for 8 marks in the exam, right? Okay, right. Go for one more problem of this sort. Okay, right. So the impulse response is given by h of t is equal to u of t, and x of t is equal to e to the power of minus alpha t into u of t. Find the convolution. So this is 6 marks only. How to solve this kind of problems? Okay, right. 1 minute. Okay, right. Now, how to do this one? H of t. H of t is ranging from where to where? 0 to infinity. U of t is there, 0 to infinity. Its value is 1. And x of t is nothing but equal to what? It exponentially decaying. Assuming that alpha is less than 1, what is that we have is exponential decay, like this. E to the power of minus is there, no? E to the power of minus alpha t. Its values goes on decreasing. Take some value. Alpha is a constant. So it is exponential decaying. This is ranging from 0 to infinity. This is also t. This is also t. Both of them are infinite. Therefore, we get only two cases. Okay, right? Which one you want to shift? This is your x of t. This is your h of t. So better to shift the constant one rather than infinite one. So with the time dependent one. So therefore, I want to shift the first one. If you want to shift the first one, my equation would be of this sort, no? Y of t is equal to x of t convolution with h of t, which is equal to integration from minus infinity to plus infinity, x of tau into h of t minus tau d tau. So therefore, what is that? You can write it. Okay, right. X of tau. X of tau is from where to where? Minus infinity to plus infinity. Sorry, 0 to infinity. Tau. X of tau e to the power of minus alpha tau. This I'll call it as x of tau. Wherever t is there, replace it by tau. We'll get x of tau. H of minus tau. H of minus tau is folded version of the h of minus tau. This is 0. H of minus tau. 0th value will be taken as t on the tau axis. Case number 1. Only two cases we have. T. As long as this edge is before 0, t less than or equal to 0, y of t is equal to 0. That is your case 1. Case 2 is overlapping area is goes on increasing. This is t. Case 2. T is greater than or equal to 0. T is greater than or equal to 0. Y of t is equal to integration from where to where? 0 to t. Integration from 0 to t. 1 into e to the power of minus alpha tau d tau, which is equal to e to the power of minus alpha tau divided by minus alpha between the limits 0 to t, minus 1 by alpha, you take it outside. What is that we have? Upper limit e to the power of minus alpha t minus e to the power of 0 is 1. That's it. Go for the summary of it. So this is only 6 marks. This is number of cases decreases, marks also will decrease. So what is that? You can write it. Y of t is equal to what? Y of t is equal to its value is equal to 0 for t less than or equal to 0 and is equal to minus 1 by alpha into e to the power of minus alpha t minus 1 for t greater than or equal to 0. Okay, right. So t is equal to 0. So cases you verify minus infinity to 0, 0 to infinity. So we have shifted from minus infinity to plus infinity. When t is equal to 0, it is 0. When t is equal to 0, e to the power of 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. It is correct only. Right? So that's how. So even this also sketching is complicated. We won't do it. They won't expect also. Okay, right? So that's how we should do the problem on the exponential. Right? In one more paper, he has given the same problem. What is that he has done is alpha is equal to 1 he has taken. That means find the convolution or find the output of the system, and the impulse response is u of t and the input is e to the power of minus t into u of t. In such case, what you should do? Same problem you do. Wherever alpha is there, put 1. And same diagram, put everywhere alpha is equal to 1. You will get the answer as minus of e to the power of minus t minus 1. That's it. So that means, so that the problem also is asked in one of the papers for 5 marks. He has asked that question. And next class I'll be doing exponential with exponential, how to do the convolution. Only one time, once or twice we have seen such kind of problem. So that will be the end of the continuous time convolution on the LTI systems, right? I'll continue in the next class.